Hey there, is your Cox router blinking green? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explain what it means, why it happens, and how you can fix it step by step. A blinking green light on your Cox router means it is trying to establish a connection but it's having trouble. This could be due to loose or damaged cables, internet service disruptions, weak signals, or interference, a modern synchronization issue. You might see this blinking green light when your internet suddenly stops working after a power outage, or if Cox is performing maintenance in your area. First, make sure all cables are securely uh, plugged in. A loose coaxial or Ethernet cable can cause connection issues. Unplug your Cox router from power. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes the connection. If the router doesn't work, unplug both your modem and router. Wait a minute, then plug in the modem first. Once the lights stabilize, turn the router back on. Visit the Cox website or app to see if there is a service outage in your area. If there is, you will have to wait for Cox to fix it. If the blinking green light continues, try resetting the router. Hold down and reset button for 10 seconds and wait for it to reboot. That's it. Your Cox router should now be working fine. If the blinking green light doesn't stop, contact Cox support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes.